you're locked in right now, good evening, welcome to you. This is the UpNLive Show. We do this each and every Tuesday right here, live on TGM Radio with myself, DJ Rick, Juggernaut Star, Fire Q, the Liquor Brown, Rasta, everything alright, good. Fire Q, big up yourself if I said that before. Also want to big up to our sponsors, Shush Prince, Vast Prince, and remember the show is produced by World Mag Entertainment. People go onto the website, go onto our YouTube channel, subscribe, click that notification bell, get all the updates, right? And this week, special guest. Long way I try to forward the artist in the building. But look like him busy, look like him got Africa to find some new girl or something, I know. Occupy him time. People, Rico is here. Good evening, welcome to the show, sir.
Oh dear.
Good evening. Forward the one you forward up here a long time, because I see the talent from far, and it surprised me. I even started the interview different, because I just really see the talent from a long time, but I just see where you were just in the shadows. Really? So before you answer that, just give us a little rundown who is El Rico.
Boy, you don't know, El Rico, you don't know a thing. Boy, El Rico is a dancer / rap artist, you see me?
Yeah.
I try to focus on both scenes, you know what I mean? Because we can do it both sides. So, we try to be relevant in the dancehall scene and the rap scene at the same time, you know what I mean? So, that's what we think there right now.
That's right. But you see, to me, your dancehall scene side, very effective.
Yeah.
The first time I hear DJ, bar, it took me as by a surprise. Because I see all the while I say, I know you're an artist.
For real.
And then I see Dan Bass send me a song and say, I say El Rico.
Yeah.
See, I hear the name, but I say, alright, I never really know. Say,
Big up Dan Bass same time, you know what I mean?
So how long have you been doing the music?
Boy, I want to tell you, say, not even too long, I would say about 4 years now.
Well, 4 years?
You know what I mean? Properly still. You know what I mean? We always have a passion for the music. You know what I mean? But, we always mess around with, you know what I mean? When you're a youth, everybody they run and a rhythm drop and everybody take piece of rhythm, you know what I think? You know what I'm saying?
Makes sense.
But, when gauge them forward there one at a time, them go up on the tour them and thing. You see me? Rhythm I carry and a drop and you see me, everybody I take piece of rhythm. So, me always take my little piece. Dog, them say, oh dog, you don't deal with the style, fam. You know what I'm saying? So, we always there around the music and thing. So, but just take it up one day and say, alright, I deal with it, you know what I mean?
Makes sense. Were you born here in the UK?
No, yeah, I'm born still.
So how long you been in the UK?
I've been that's 19 years now.
Yeah, that's why you're so much in the culture, cause you're pretty much sound like
I think, yeah.
an Englishman.
Yeah, we can switch it already, you know what I mean?
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So what inspires you for the music though? Because you've seen it from two sides. You've seen it from the UK side, the rap, the drill, all of that, and then you see it in the hardcore dancehall side. What motivates you to do music?
Motivate me? Well, as I say, it's true. Me always there on the artists them. You know what I'm saying? Like the stage show them and and just everything, the whole excitement, you know what I mean? I just want them build a song named Star Life. You know what I mean? When they're up on the stage and every phone out and the whole place light up and just the energy in itself, you know what I mean? I like the energy there, you know what I'm saying? Me always say, yo, I want to touch the stage and the whole place mad, Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, the energy there alone in itself, But me feel like say, yo, I want to take on a journey, you know what I mean?
Okay, so what side you're more interested in? Is it the performing art side or is it the studio side recording?
Do you know what? I'm kind of interested. Before, it was more like the studio thing. You know what I'm saying? Cause, the studio thing go. You know what I'm saying? It make it sound perfect. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, I didn't really look on the performing art side on a scale like that. You know what I mean? Until I start doing more performance level and say, yo, you need to have that with the package as well. You know what I'm saying? Cause when I touch a stage, you know what I mean? You know a thing go. You know what I mean? You have to make sure say you have the package there. So right now we really try to bring the package there with it as well. You know what I mean?
Okay.
To make sure it's a link with everything.
So what was your what was your first recording?
My first recording, I know say yo, is a song named Get Girl Easy.
How long was that? How long ago was that?
About 2015 I recorded the song there.
4 years now.
Yeah, 2015 record the song there. But then when I'm bridging them house, we cook some food and have vibes and argument a chap, you see me? You know what I mean? So the man then drop on a little one drop ready, man, we just make a song right there, so you know what I mean? And I want to tell you, so, my brother make all the rhythm for the song, you know. And the way his style of me do it, you know, it's like a more raw yard style, you know what I mean?
Okay.
And the rhythm when I make people, I just do it over in a sing J kind of style and make it more different, you know what I mean?
That's why I realize you have the singing side as well. And as I say, you have the rap side.
Yeah.
And you have the hardcore dancehall. Which side do you rather? Would you rather be in the singing type or you rather be in the rap type or the dancehall?
You know, I like all of them though. I
The
like all of them. You know, one of them ones I like the rap thing, cause you see that you see the rap scene. It's like a different kind of scene to me.
It is.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like it elevates you to a different level. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're in the rap scene, it's different.
It's easier to go like mainstream in the rap
mainstream in the rap scene. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
so basically that song with Dan Boss, the bandana. Let's talk about it for a bit, yeah. Why do you choose to do the rap verse in it? Why you never go like hardcore dancehall? It going running in that song.
You were going with the song though. When Dan Boss introduced the song to me, I say, yo, bandana. I say, Dan Boss, where you want to sing another song, you know? Only thing I gonna say, I just want bandana, yeah, that's the hype. We have a black one, we have a white. You know what I'm saying? I say, yeah, man, I hate that. You know what I'm saying? So I say, yo, where you want me to do it in? Yard or English, isn't me? I say, yo, you choose it, where you want to do, man, isn't me? So I did that, I have it, I sweet. I say, you know, I go work with the English, though. You know what I'm saying? So I say, yo, give me a rhythm.
Because that was a good song, but I think it could be more potent if like you let Dan Boss stick with the hook, you know, the bandana, and you come in with the hardcore, maybe, you know, some hardcore lyrics.
Yeah, bar for bar.
Some, you know,
what with the yard vibes, you mean?
Yeah, little more.
I know, say, yo, you might feel it weird, you know, but I want to tell you, say, yo, you see with the song there, more people like then gravitate to the English part, you know what I mean? Like, not to say, yo, you know what I mean, Dan Boss part, no Lord, you know what I mean? But you know the thing go.
It's good. It's good to you can level the playing field where in terms of you can switch it to whichever side you rather.
Yeah.
But I think for me personally, cause me listen to your song them and I listen to the rap side, which is good for me.
Yeah.
But for me, you're very effective with the dancehall, and I don't think you lean much on the side there. Maybe because of your environment where you're there.
Yeah. You will go and know it.
But me don't know. That's my opinion.
As I said, I love the dancehall scene, you know what I mean? It's because, as I say, touring and the artist them, man. You know what I mean? I just, you know what I mean? Plus, I'm a background, you know what I mean? So I just decided to focus on the music at one time. Like, but when I really view the music, it's like, as you said, the business side is like, yo, man, want to reach, you know what I mean? And it's like, you know a thing I go from one day, you know what I mean? It's like this Afrobeat thing dropping and kind of either shadow out the yard thing for a while, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's a yard thing not up, but it weren't as up or we want it to up, you know what I'm saying? And the money side of it, you know what I'm saying? I feel like the English and the rap thing was more taking off, so I feel like, you know what? The yard thing I go on, I'm gonna do show and everything here, but you know, more on a bigger thing from this, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm just
basically
venture off
you're going to that market to capitalize off the success of some of the artists that would jump in recent years to capitalize on some of that success,
you know what I mean?
UK rap.
Yeah.
But why don't you go with like what your natural dialect, your natural slang and your natural lingo? Because like I see it more in the dancehall side. Like to me, when you sing dancehall, it's like a no-brainer.
Yeah.
It just come naturally. And like when you rap, is like, to me, like you are thinking very collectively. What are you rapping about?
Yeah.
And dancehall is generic to me. Like that's what I see it.
You see what you say about like a real thing. You see with the rap side, I think. You know the certain, you know, with the, you know what I mean? Or them view the scene, you know what I'm saying? So with certain things over we say it in the rap world, it's different, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of things we want to say and make them know, you know what I'm saying? But we can't really say it in a rap world like that, you know what I'm saying?
But why don't you merge both of them together? Because we see everybody doing it.
Watch out now,
Everybody doing
that may I get to now, I make you know say, not true me I do rap, no, when I drop out the dancehall. As me say from the get-go, we are trying to be nice in both scene.
Alright, I give a formula right so now I feel like you can make $1 million off her.
Yeah.
Remember that. pre the camera. See, we are giving a winning formula.
What's your formula now?
Right
see
here.
formula, you know.
Alright.
You see, next time you go to studio,
Yeah.
and you do the next song, do part of it in a dancehall and part of it in your English.
And remember just break down the formula again.
yeah.
Remember just break it down here properly, see?
Yeah.
they same rap thing, but you know like the Drake and the Nicki Minaj and whatever them use the Jamaican lingo and the Jamaican slang them.
Yeah.
Do that because you understand the slang better than them. And there's certain word you can sing in a dancehall song where you probably can't translate that
in
effective in a English song.
Right,
so if you just put it that way, because to be honest, you know England, you know everybody's very in tune to our language and our culture.
Yeah.
So we might have things like, yo, them not understand it, but yo, you know, see, all our Englishman, them appear yard slang around England. You know, see it?
Makes
so
sense.
you don't know anything about
it makes sense, man.
So what's good for you for the rest of 2019? How the rest here is almost done now. How was 2019 for you?
2019, you know, I think as me say, we do a couple show and you know what I mean? Couple things go on and we have a new video I drop. We drop a video this year, I'm say, you know what? Better me just drop it for 2020, you know what I mean? We have a new video drop
what's the name of the song?
Song named El Rico. You know what I mean? It's a rap tune as well, you know what I mean?
You name the song El Rico?
El Rico, you know what I mean?
That's a good strategy.
You know what I think,
So what's the song about?
It's a song about El Rico and lifestyle, you know what I mean? Like,
just about you and
you know what I mean?
where you go on with and all these things.
Yeah.
So when we look for the dates, we have a date feed?
Well, Graham Daly got back to me today, really, with the email and let me know that I can send it in for request and all of that, for that, you know, when they check it out and all of that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just kind of waiting for them to get back to me. Then I'll actually know that. I'm trying to do it the first week of January. You know what I'm saying? It's like, 6th or the 7th. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make it drop. But otherwise from that, I'm just waiting for Graham Daly, really, you know what I mean?
You know, man.
Well, we also beat the platform there and load them today.
No, we're not gonna beat them. We're not gonna beat them today. No, we're not
really beat them. But what we always say, we always praise self-promotion because, it's better for you to build your own platform.
No, we have a one platform
because
at the same time.
The end of the day,
you know what I mean?
The end of the day, when your thing is your thing, like Graham Daly is making money from you putting out your work, shooting a video and everything. But I get what you're saying is production, but make sure it's on your platform.
Naturally, it have to depend for your platform.
And may I also encourage like every artist try put it that way, put it exclusive on your platform first. Then Graham Daly after forget the extra numbers or whatever you need.
Yeah.
But that's the way to go.
I have to put a link on it to make sure it's you know, it's a leak on my page. You know what I mean?
That's how you go.
So
like you get me. Graham Daly I do a good job, but nothing done wrong for make them do an Instagram or a Facebook blast or rare. But the main YouTube, it should be linked to yours, not theirs. I don't feel like say them should be getting the spoils of your work.
Yeah,
of course.
But you are going. You're right. But it meaning I really look upon it like that. You see me? It's true. Them have the
numbers.
The numbers, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get El Rico out there. You know what I'm saying? Along with my page at the same time. Like, you know what I mean? It will
but you have to play the business this way, yeah? Graham Daly put out a lot of material, yeah? Most of the successful people on Graham Daly is the people who were really eating the ground running, who was really out on the street 24/7 doing that hardcore promotion. Graham Daly don't really do a lot for them in terms of we bring towards numbers because your song have to be buzzing in a sense to people to really catch on it because when I see Graham Daly post, I don't really check it out that much because they post so much. It's like your song could be lost in that mix of everything. And it just go like one of those songs.
For real.
Which is right.
You have a point still.
Makes sense. People, if you're just joining us, if you're locked in anywhere around the world, welcome to the UpNLive Show. We have El Rico here. Live in the studio, right? It's 7 minutes coming up at the top of the hour. We're here and you know what's happened whenever we have a special guest in the studio, right? We just have a little. Where Dragon call it?
Freestyle, brother, you know what thing go. We don't pay nobody no money for freestyle no song. You have to do it for Rico, you know a freestyle, yeah.
But you have to go on. It's different today. Because we have an artist where can go both sides of the spectrum.
Reggae, do a little sing J.
So
you know what the thing go.
We are going to see what I go on. People, if you're on Facebook right now and you can see this live, make sure you give it some likes or some thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me see what I go on. If the artist are Dragon, you know the braff and ready.
You know El Rico, it's a Spanish name, but watch him singing a hip hop and reggae. Yeah.
Yes, man. You know the thing, guy, you know. Out here with no fear, man, take a drive, we can't have no gear. Boom. Yes, say I'm ready, I'm got it. Big 45 in the hand, it don't sit down in the pocket. See man, I clap it and I knock it. See the ping get mad, he must slap it in the traffic. We put the P in a profit. Say for money, them attack them for no say man got it. Take the war, left the war. Road boy me have me, yo, dog. Say them a go on like them no man. Them shoulda know say you a big boss lollipop grow man. I you were orthodox showman. Had to dibble dabble, had to move round the program. Beaks came true and just showed man. Had to load one. 17 I had my own. They can't blame me for my bad ways. You have to blame it on my. Listen. Yo, ready. Yo, ready. Yo, ready. Listen, boom. Yo, it's big jizz blood, I run roads, and I ain't never alone. You know I stays with the from Leighton to Scotty Dog, I've run road. And if it's B white punk, blood I got O's. You know them lovers fam, yeah I got hoes. Yo, I told I really want to swear up on the show, you know what I mean? Yo, hear me a son man. Okay then, so me no goalie, but my girl me keep you. So you want me name El Rico. So you smell so nice, my girl, oh you sweet so. Boom. So you me clothes them no moody. Rock Versace, Givenchy and some Gucci. And them know the price. Yes the girl them know me style. Man a shatter, not a chatter. Come round on me yard when me deal with it proper. Guineas and peanut it mixed with the okra. Them fi know some man a shatter, some man a stuller. Me no feed pambula. Come round on me yard when me make you something full up. Start tingle, when she hear me pull up. Come sit down pon there. Say, you hear me a son man? Them always go there, them ya. Alright then.
The next rhythm I give you, because your name El Rico, more like a Spanish twist to it, yeah?
Spanish
like Latino thing.
Spanish sugar.
People you know it's El Rico live inside the studio. Watch a beat, you know, him just put some bars on it, you know, rap. You know,
okay,
hip hop. You know, like a Latino something in pan it too, right?
No. For the girls them. No. Hear me answer them on DJ Rick UpNLive. You know what I mean? Let them know this. Okay, alright. Yo, so them Rico have girl enough to wonder like Alice. Mountain girl we have fuck up enough with police. We ain't no girl coulda never in a malice. Rasta girl say she a go blow me like chalice. Indian girl say she love me like curry. Fat girl them love me like McFlurry. She no walk fast but for me she will hurry. Yo, the beat that dog. You see the beat that.
I beat you go with the most.
Yo, selector, yeah move sir. Okay.
Good there sir. Ready. Niggas,
you don't wanna know. Niggas out here, dog, them brought like some pockets. All this money talk, dog, can you please stop it? Buy this and buy that, now they can't cop it. Niggas still hating on my last week's profit. I'm blessed by the Father God, these niggas can't stop it. All this fucking gun talk, they still ain't gonna clap it. I just bought a new thing, it's fully automatic. 5 bags in a week, dog, that's OT profit. Now they know the reason why I'm always copping. Shopping, bottle popping, no flopping. Yo. You may understand, man. Run it.
You still ready again? Or you want to call the quits? Where you still?
Run it.
Alright, ready again.
My name's Rico, known in the streets, bro. Don't tell them already they can't mess with my people. I be so